In front of me is POCO M6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access passwords and security. Then click on face unlock and enter your current screen lock. Then click Start at the bottom. Select Next in the Attention pop-up and remember to keep your face in frame. Follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you can name your face data however you want to. And select Done. Following that, adjust all of those options, and when you finished, go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!